Fastest Roadside Guy Alive again. Here's a unique situation. Usually I'd have a customer move to get away from this car next to it so I could use my tools. But the wheel and tire have separated. It looks like basically the whole tire's gone. I'm not going to have them move their car. I will just use the new special procedure I learned that I like. Be right back. Carrying scissors jack like this. It's for special occasions like that. I generally don't recommend you change a tire with this, but there's some circumstances like a tight fit where you might want to do that. So this one has a spot I can use my impact gun for, so this is going to go really fast. Again, I'm going to bring my tool bag to the tire along with that. One step. All right, watch how easy this is. Tool bag with tools. All right, got a dead battery.